If Discord is showing error 3002, your microphone or voice settings are usually the first place to check. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get your mic working again and stop the error from blocking your calls, chats, or streams. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes and tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, we'll check your Windows microphone permissions. On Windows, press the Windows key and I together to open Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and click Microphone. Here, you want to make sure Microphone Access is turned on, Let Apps Access Your Microphone is turned on, and Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is turned on as well. If any of those are off, Discord may not be able to detect your microphone properly, even if everything else looks correct. After that, the next step is to verify your system sound settings. Sometimes the microphone is enabled in Windows, but it's muted, set incorrectly, or not selected as the main input device. Right-click the speaker or volume icon on your taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under the Input section, look for the microphone you actually want to use. Make sure the correct device is selected, especially if you have a headset, webcam mic, or external microphone connected. Then speak into your mic and watch the input meter. If the test bar is not moving, your microphone may be muted, disconnected, or set to too low of a volume. Increase the input level and make sure the device is responding before moving on. Once your Windows settings look good, open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. From there, click Voice and Video. This is where Discord chooses which microphone and voice options to use. Under Input Device, do not leave it on default if you are having problems. Instead, select your exact microphone from the drop-down list. This helps Discord connect directly to the right hardware instead of guessing which input to use. Next, temporarily turn off crisp noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control. These features can be helpful, but sometimes they create conflicts or bugs that trigger microphone errors. Disabling them for testing lets you see whether one of Discord's voice filters is causing the problem. If your mic starts working after turning them off, you found the source of the issue. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the voice and video page and click Reset Voice Settings. This is one of the most effective fixes because it restores Discord's voice options back to their default state. If a setting was changed accidentally or a bad configuration was saved, resetting voice settings can clear it up quickly. After resetting, go back and reselect your microphone if needed, then test your voice again. At this point, Discord should be able to detect your mic properly and the error should be gone. If it still doesn't work, double-check that your microphone is working in Windows outside of Discord, because the issue may be with the device itself rather than Discord. Also make sure no other app is taking exclusive control of the microphone, since that can interfere with voice input. To recap, fix Discord error 3002 by enabling microphone permissions in Windows, confirming the correct input device in system sound settings, selecting the exact microphone in Discord, turning off the voice processing filters, and resetting Discord's voice settings. These steps solve the issue for most users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.